How to search for recipes on myfitnesspal app. Firstly, you have to open myfitnesspal app. You have to move to the dashboard and you can scroll this like this. After this, you have to discover options. You can see here in the dashboard that there is discover option. You have to click on the recipes. After that, there is different recipes appear here. You have to search for a recipe. You can find the ingredients of the recipe, directions, and your calories on that recipe. You can also search recipes by your choice, and these are the recipes which are given according to the calories and diet plans. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.